What's up, all my JDM car fans and those who just clicked on this video for the thumbnail? I see you. This is my 2006 Evo 9. And if you are new here, do click one of the links down in my description to get caught up on this build. But if you're not new here, stick around to watch me change my blinker fluid. Just kidding. Stay tuned to watch me continue on with the restoration of the Evo. Today we're going to be installing aluminum foil and spaceship parts to the underside of the Evo hood, aka the grille and hood heat insulation for the underside of the hood. In case you guys are wondering why it took me so long to open the hood, no, it's not because I wanted to show off my butt. The hood latch is actually bent, so it takes a little bit of effort on my end to open. So as the hood is up, you can see that there is just bare metal. So right now, as the engine gets really hot when the car is on, it's just the heat on metal, and Mitsubishi actually has a hood insulation feature that will protect the paint that this car didn't come with when I bought it. So that's what we're gonna be installing today. First things first, let's get this open and mock it up. But for anybody who wants to know the part number, there you have it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get this out of the wrapping and do a test fit. I feel like that's always really important and always a really scary moment when you have a new used car. There's always something missing, I feel, or something is bent out of shape and then holes don't align properly. I mean, luckily in this case, that wasn't the case, which I'm really grateful for. So everything aligned the way that it should and all my clips were working as they should. Plus, it was so satisfying hearing each clip go in. I love those ASMR sounds, and this was given ASMR today. If you want to see me do a little ASMR video, let me know. I'd be down. The hood insulation is now installed. I actually think it looks really good. I took a peek looking from the outside in, and it looks so much better not having an open space where the grill is. And I feel a lot better knowing that my paint is being protected from the heat. I went ahead and bought these clips from Mitsubishi, and if you want the part number, there you have it. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the hood so we can see what it looks like put on. Like I said before, the hood looks so much better with the heat shield on. It's almost as if Mitsubishi intended for the hood to look like this. The next thing we're gonna be doing today is an oil change. Woo! I know, super exciting content, guys, but you know, it has to be done, okay? So I'm gonna be using the OEM Mitsubishi oil filter. Sorry, I don't know why that sounded so weird, like I had an accent. And also this Mobil 1 10W30 synthetic oil. Fun fact, this is actually gonna be the first time that I'm putting this car up on jack stands, and I have been so nervous to do so because I'm honestly not sure what I'm gonna find under there. I mean, judging by how bad the interior was, I can only imagine how bad the exterior is gonna be. One thing I wanted to note that I've never seen before is the draining bolt on the Evo has like an oil sensor on it. So I've never seen that before. I just thought it was really weird. Let me know if this is from factory. Also, I suck at gauging where the oil is gonna squirt out. I like literally get it wrong every single time. Here is the old oil filter compared to the new. So the guy that I bought this from said that he last drove the car in 2020, which I imagine is probably the last time he got an oil change as well, judging by how black this oil is. Judging by his oil filter, this is a third-party oil filter, so I'm assuming he went to Jiffy Lube or something to get his oil changes done, but now we're gonna be using the OEM oil filter and getting that on in there, so really excited for that. Next, it's time to fill the car up with oil, but before I do that, what do you guys think of my new radiator cap? Don't mind me, just pissing off thousands of STI and Evo owners. So the Evo is full with 4.5 quarts. Let's go ahead and take the car off of the jack stands, take it for a quick spin, and top it off if it needs to. Alrighty guys, guys, so we went ahead and took the car for a spin, topped it off as needed, and we're all good to go. One thing I did notice when I started it up is like a weird chirping sound. I don't know if you're able to hear that now. I'm thinking that maybe that's one of the pulleys for the auxiliary belt that I'll have to get checked out. Just another thing to add to my list, but if you guys know for sure and you want to let me know down in the comments, please let me know. So like I said, guys, I'm going to be wrapping it up for today. If you like this video, you already know what to do. So until next time, JDM Crystal,